Hi guys, this is Chakri Devi. I want to explain about Lightning experience in Lightning Salesforce. So first we have to know about basics of Lightning. I want to explain about basics of Lightning now. In this class, this is the view of Lightning home page. First, what is the need of go to the Lightning? I want to explain in this class. So take a notepad and Lightning tutorial. This is Lightning tutorial now. That's why I want to explain about Lightning now. First we have to know about classic disadvantages. Then only you can clearly know about Lightning advantages. So why we want to go for Lightning? First we have to know about those topics. So I want to explain today about this topic. Classic disadvantages. So then first we have to know about classic disadvantages in this class. Classic disadvantages. Yeah, we have to know about these classic disadvantages. In this one we have to give more code, multiple codes for multiple devices. If you want to give devices to create a device, any device by using multiple code, so we have to create multiple code for multiple devices. For example, take a mobile and iPad, and also normal screen or large screen. These are the examples to create multiple devices to give multiple code in this classic disadvantage. So this is the one type of disadvantage in classic. So in coming to lightning components are responsive. That means one code for multiple devices, more multiple devices only. So coming to examples, mobile, iPad and normal screen and also large screen. These are the examples of multiple devices. So all these devices, by using classic we have to give multiple codes for each devices. And next one, large screen. And coming to second disadvantage in this one, different CSS frameworks for rich UI. UI means user. That means Visualforce code is not responsive. It means we have to create more codes for multiple devices in this classic. So coming to second one, different CSS frameworks for rich UI, user experience. User interface. UI means user interface. Example, different CSS frameworks for rich UI. UI means user interface. User interface. Actually, user experience also you can call it as like this. So I want to give here user UI means user experience in this one. Coming to examples, Bootstrap, CSS3, CSS, jQuery. All these are languages to give more frameworks for CSS in classic. Bootstrap, CSS3 and CSS and jQuery. These are all the examples of classic disadvantages. So coming to third point, all logics will be written in Apex code load on server. It means we have to all will be written in Apex code load on server. It means we have to give any code in classic, we have to give that particular code in Apex form only. So this is the one type of disadvantages in classic. and on server. And coming to very less out of box functionalities like workflows. In workflows in a classic, workflows are having less functionality out of box functionalities. It means more limitations in workflows. So this is the one type of disadvantage. Out of the box functionalities like workflows, it means out of the box functionalities means develop applications just by using button click and without any code. We don't use any code, just we have to click on that particular button and develop that application. That is the out of box. Let me give notes that one. In this one, out of box means develop applications just by using button clicks. It means without any code. We don't need to use any code in this one. But just by using button click, we can develop more applications. So this is the one type of disadvantage in classic. Example, any code. Coming to example, workflows, approval process, reports and dashboards. These all are the examples of less out of box functionalities. In these are having less out of functionalities, and it mainly has features for linking Salesforce with Outlook. Yes, really, it mainly has features for linking Salesforce with Outlook. Mainly has features for linking Salesforce with Outlook. Yeah, these all are the disadvantages of classic. So please note down these notes. Please take these notes. Then only you can refer all this one. Please take these notes and subscribe my channel to get more classes about Salesforce, and also you can get tips for how to prepare food in easily by using some tips, and also some other videos, entertainment videos I want to give in this channel. So please subscribe our channel. Now I want to give advantages of Lightning. Lightning advantages. By when you are take these advantages, then you can get clarity about advantages of why we are going go to the Lightning. So in this Lightning components are responsive. It means less code. We can create one code, then that code is used for multiple devices. Previously I said multiple codes for multiple devices. In classic, multiple codes for multiple devices. But in coming to Lightning, only one code for multiple devices. We can use one code for multiple devices by edit that particular code. So example, same as above classic, mobile, iPad, multiple devices. And coming to examples, same as I said already in classic, those are examples in this one. Devices are all same now. That's why I want to take those examples in this same. Mobile, iPad, normal screen and large screen. Normal screen and large screen. These are the examples. And different CSS frameworks are not needed. It means Bootstrap, CSS3, CSS, jQuery, these all are not required in this one. So these are the examples. Salesforce Lightning Design System LDS framework was for UI. All logics will be written in a front end.